Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you all simple Kangra painting, for which I have taken acrylic paints. You can also take poster paints or rangila paints, or you can use all of them depending on which type of painting or the folk art we are going to do. Then paint brushes, water, old cloth, handmade paper or canvas, palette, stationery like pencil, scale, eraser, sharpener, permanent marker, thick and thin both, color pencils, crayons and sketch pens. Kangra painting is a traditional Indian school of miniature painting that emerged in the mid-18th century in the Himachal Pradesh foothills, renowned for its delicate lines, soft pastel colors, and lyrical romantic themes. It forms a major part of the broader Pahari painting tradition. This art is created using ultra-fine brushes made from squirrel or weasel hair to achieve extreme grace and fluid detail. This art utilizes pure mineral-based reds, blues and yellows alongside soft cool greens and blues that resist fading over centuries. This art depicts women with sharp chins, long narrow eyes and noses that form a straight continuous line with the forehead. This art also centers heavily on the devotional romance and poetry of Radha and Krishna, as well as stories of Shiva and Parvati. This art captures lush Himalayan landscapes, blooming flora, flowing streams, and the moods of the six traditional Indian seasons. As stated earlier, Kangra paintings originated in the state of Himachal Pradesh, named after the former princely state of Kangra. The voiceover and information provided in the video are strictly sourced from Google search results. This channel does not claim ownership or original authorship of the facts presented. All views and facts belong to their respective original sources. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media. And do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.